Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to change Bitmoji facial expression on your Snapchat. To get started, you need to head into Snapchat application. So once you reach on this Snapchat home page, you need to tap on Bitmoji on the upper left corner. When you reach on this page, tap on gear icon on the upper right corner. When you reach on the settings page, you need to tap on Bitmoji, which is under notifications. So you can see that the Bitmoji is like this now. So to change the Bitmoji's facial expression, you need to tap on choose a selfie, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now on this page, you can simply choose any Bitmoji that you would like to appear on Snapchat. You can add the smiley one, so the anyone you would like to. So after that, you can tap on done. Simply refresh it and open a Snapchat once again. And from here we can easily view that our Bitmoji facial expression on Snapchat has already been changed. Hope so you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.